Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere application on this device. So first we should go into the app gallery to get the Ampere application, and here in the search pool enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, so tap to get, click here to continue, and click here to download and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just click here to allow and to install. Next, can you see our application successfully installed, and now just click here to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close, OK, and on the left down corner click to OK. And now as can you see, we got here the section with the information about health of our battery. In my case, that's good. And also here we got the other information like the device model, Android version, and other information about our battery's level, capacity, temperature, and more other information. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.